Keep it real light and simple. Girl, sit down. It's a lot of bit of change up in here. Well, hello there. Minute, hasn't it? It's been a little minute. Am I yelling? I don't know. Okay, it's been a little minute. Your girl had to get herself together. If you don't know, I had to have my gallbladder removed. That was a whole ordeal. Let me tell you, it's better out than in, because that pain that I felt, that joint was rough, you hear me? So I'm glad that's over with. Your girl is on the mend, and you know, we getting back into these YouTube streets. Okay, it's time to go ahead and jump back in. Okay, let me get to swimming. Let me catch up, because I'm behind. Okay, the train has left me and doubled back and left me again. So I need to catch up on my wigs, y'all. I need to catch up on my wigs. But you know, it is what it is. They ain't going nowhere. Okay, my opinion's still gonna be the same regardless if I review it now or in a year. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this. All right. This video is brought to you by Yolissa Hair. They were kind enough to send me a unit to review for you guys. I'm pretty sure this is my first time reviewing for them, so you know, I was a little excited to try them out and see what they, see what they hitting for. Yes, I still talk fast. Okay, I didn't lose that. I didn't lose that. Before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Y'all, so how we feeling about this? How we feeling about this little joint right here? Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Yolissa Hair. It is their HD 6x6 lace closure unit. It comes in a plethora of textures and lengths, so you can choose what you want that may fit your price point. There's water wave, body wave, straight, loose wave, and deep wave, and then you can choose your length between, like, I want to say 16 to 30 inches. I could be wrong though, but it's a lot of inches. Okay, so for my specs, I got the curly unit in 20 inches. This unit does come in a natural color. However, this is a human hair unit, so you can bleach or dye it or whatever you want to do to your unit just like you would your natural hair. I was about to put some highlights in this joint, but I was like, you know what? Let me calm down. Okay, let me relax. Let me pump the brakes a little bit. Let me chill. Let me gather myself, and then I'll try it next time. Okay, but ow, god dang, got the hoops in the way. I'm all over the place. Like I said, the unit does come with a 6x6 lace closure, so that's 6 inches across the front and then 6 inches here in the middle. And that closure space does give me ample amount of parting space that makes the unit look natural. Sometimes when you do like a 4x4 or even a 5x5, because I have a big forehead, that joint does not stretch all the way across where I need it to. So the 6x6 is perfect, okay? That 5x5 be sitting right up in here, and that 4x4 just be like, nope, girl, sit down. Because my forehead is so big, so it doesn't stretch as, you know, it would on other people's forehead. So the 6x6 is perfect for me. It gives me ample amount of parting space, like I said, and I'm really liking how that's looking. I did go in, as you saw in the put down, and use my knot eraser to kind of brighten that up, because the hair is a little dense up in there, so if you want to go in and pluck some of that hair out, you definitely can to open your parting space up. I didn't feel like doing that because, again, I'm just jumping back into things and I'm a little lazy, okay? So I wanted to keep mine as simple as possible for my beginners who don't want to do a lot of work. Did go in, as you saw again in the put down, and pluck out some of the hair right here in the front because it wasn't pre-plucked in my opinion. I'm not sure if on the specs it says that it's pre-plucked or not, but if it does, no, but it's not as thick as other hairlines that I've seen from other companies. So it's easy to go in and just pull some hair out. You want to do like a little finger pull, or if you want to go in with your tweezers like I did and just kind of chuck through the unit and get that hair out of there to give it more of a natural look. How I'm wearing my joint, you can't really tell that I plucked anything. It wasn't really necessary because, you know, I came up with this style at the end. So, you know, it is what it is. But, you know, for future, you know, wears, I can definitely pull that joint back and have more of a natural looking hairline for me. Now, it does say this is HD lace that's on this unit. I was a little finicky if that was accurate or not, just because out the pack it looks a little white. However, when I went in to blend my unit down with my face products to kind of get my lace together, it did work just fine. And I just used the excess from my contour from my makeup to do that, and it did blend down pretty good. So yeah, I can see that. HD lace normally takes, you know, my products really well. As far as the knots though, they big, okay? And normally I don't say that about wigs unless they are big, and these are big, okay? So be mindful of that. If you're not someone who likes those big knots on your lace, then you may need to go ahead and bleach this joint to, you know, hide those and get those together. You guys know I don't bleach nothing but my whites, okay? So I wasn't bleaching nothing on this wig. It was gonna sit like this on my head and we're gonna press, okay? Now, as far as the prep for this unit, I did go in and wash and condition the hair, and I finally got the Aussie shampoo and conditioner, thanks to my girl Sherelle, aka Natural Joy. She swears by that shampoo, and I'm always saying, you know, I want to get it. I, for some reason, thought it was more expensive than what it was, but I saw it at Target, and it was those big containers that you saw in my put down for $5. Like $5 and some change, but still, $5. So I went on and picked up some, and I was really excited to use it. Y'all, it made the hair smell amazing. The conditioner, like, made this joint really soft. Like, y'all, that shampoo and conditioner combo is the truth, okay? So I will be using that joint more often because I'm feeling that. I did get some shedding with this unit when I went in and wash and condition it. Not a lot though. I got more shedding after when I went to go style it. So, you know, just be mindful of that. This is a curly unit and it's pretty long. So I kind of expected that anyway. So, you know, but it's not shedding to the point that clumps are coming out that you're going to worry about, you know, your unit balding over time. Let me show you guys what this looks like to the side. Okay, this is what she's looking like to the side. And then this is what she's looking like, and back up some, to the back. Okay. I wasn't really sure how I wanted to style this unit, so I just went on and put some twists in the unit just to kind of give it some dimension, just because I was bored, okay? I was, honestly, y'all, I was bored, and I didn't want to just do the whole curly look and just, you know, call it a day. I mean, people can do that, okay? That's your prerogative, but for me, in my head, in my wig, I decided to do something a little different, and that's what we sitting at, okay? They did send over some different little scarves here. I do have this one already. This little print is cute, and then they also sent me, I'm pretty sure I have something, pretty sure I have this one too. So even though you don't have lace on the sides here, you just get that normal closure, you know, earpiece or whatever, you can definitely still tie the hair up and use the scarves to kind of tie, you know, around the edges to give you a different look. Now this unit does cost a pretty penny, okay? This is a little bit more expensive than I thought she would be, especially in a closure unit. So for my specs, again, the curly unit, 20 inches. Oh, and also the 180% density. You can choose your density for your unit, so 180, 200, or 250. My unit is $318.16. There it is, okay? I didn't make the price. I didn't make the price, y'all. But you guys know if I have a coupon for y'all, I will put it down below so you guys can save some money on this unit if you decide to check this joint out for yourself, okay? You know, maybe next time I'll do some things for a little bit of change, or for a lot of bit of change. It's a lot of bit of change up in here. It's a lot of change for this joint. But maybe next time I'll do all that. But today, I just wanted to keep it real simple. Keep it real light and simple for my beginner girls as we go ahead and step back into these YouTube streets. If there's anything in this video, whether it's my earrings, my shirt, my nails, which are press-ons, that you like in this video, even the glasses on the back here, I will link it down below in the description box. Make sure you guys check that out. I will also put the details and the link for this hair down below, so you guys want to check that out, you can as well. Shout out one more time to Yolissa Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.